This is the first in a series of videos about the Corkboard in Scrivener 3 for Windows. So let's start with a very basic. What is the Corkboard? The Corkboard is a different view in Scrivener found by clicking on the grid icon on the toolbar. The idea is that it is literally like a corkboard, where you have multiple index cards containing the outline of your manuscript, one per scene or chapter or section. The amount of cards you have on your corkboard will always be the same as the items you have in your binder. In other words, there is one index card for every folder and every document in your binder. In the basic view, you will only see the cards for whichever binder container you have selected. What does that mean? Well, if you have the main manuscript folder selected, you'll see all the subdocuments or folders. If you have a chapter folder or document selected that contains other items, you'll see the contained items. Remember, we're only talking about the basic view here. We'll go into other views in other videos. If you move something around in the corkboard, it will also, as you might expect, change in the binder. These cards can be typed upon and have a space for a title and for text. You'll notice that if you don't put any text in here, it will reflect what's in the binder in the same way as when you don't put custom text in the title in the binder. You can simply type over this text. Of course, using the split screen option we talked about recently, you can show your corkboard while you're writing your manuscript. It's possible this is all you'll need to know if you're doing a very simple project. But if you want to know more, next time we'll be talking about the connection between the corkboard and the inspector.